2019 Dodge Challenger V6. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, 2 1/4. Then a 2 1/4 resonators in the middle. Then we did 2 muffler deletes out the back and put flow effects in their place. Right there and right there. I know you guys love when you hear right there. There it is. It's got the tips built into the valance, the back bumper already. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Yes. Yes, that's perfect. I don't think you want it louder than that. He didn't want any drone inside, and I think the way we did it, he's not gonna get any drone. Give it gas. Yeah, it's about 95. It's perfect.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Too much technology these days, man. 2019. Dodge Challenger V6. What we got done on it, still got the factory converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe, and we put used to have straight pipes on it. Customer stated it's too loud, so went ahead and put 2 glass packs on it. AP glass packs. If you wanna purchase them, just look in the description for a link. And then we did a muffler delete earlier, like last week actually. And then he came back, it was a little bit too loud. So we put the glass packs on it to quiet it down a little bit. Give it a little bit, still get the roar without the raspiness. And that's what the glass packs look like. Look like bullets almost. I'll let you guys hear them. Thank you. Still get the sound, but not the raspiness of it. Again. Not bad at all. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6. '14 Dodge Challenger V6. We had DYNOMAX bullets on it before. We took them off. They're just a little bit too loud, too aggressive for them. It's still got stock converters, factory X pipe, and we went and put a FLOWMASTER Super 10s in their place. Right there and right there. And then we did a muffler delete earlier in the year. There and there. And some quad tips there and there. So there's the FLOWMASTER Super 10s. That's how you guys want to put them. You always want to put them in the middle. They just sound a little bit better. How the air passes through them from the X pipe to them gives them a really nice growl. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. Which one do you like better? These? Really? So you'll take these over the FX all day? You'll take them over the FX all day?
You know, and I like the FX.
Yeah.
No, better than the DYNOMAX, yeah.
Yeah, the DYNOMAX. Oh yeah, the DYNOMAX I mean. I don't know why I said FX. I was thinking about that. It tamed it down a lot. Yeah. It needed those baffles. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. '14 Dodge Challenger V6. Beautiful car. Got stock resonators on it. Stock catalytic converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe right there. Then we put some DYNOMAX bullets, race bullets. If you want those race bullets, look at the link in the description right there. And earlier in the year we did the muffler delete about 2 weeks ago. Right there. Into quad tips. There and there. There's the race bullets. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Dodge Challenger. Not bad at all. Those DYNOMAX bullets, man, give it a really nice deep tone. It doesn't really sound like a V6 no more.
It doesn't at all.
Sounds pretty good. That's sexy. Let you guys hear on the inside. I've got you. Got them stripes going. Really beautiful car. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6. What we've done on it today, it's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X-pipe. Then somebody else did a resonator delete on it earlier. Right there, or mid-muffler delete. And we did a rear muffler delete on the back. Right there and right there. And that's all. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's true dual from the factory, as you guys can see. There it is, right there and right there. And it comes with custom, the tips are built into the bumper. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2016 Dodge Challenger. There's the mufflers right there that we took off. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sounds really good at idle too.